Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 34 of Surah An-Nisa. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الرجال قوامون على النساء بما فضل الله بعضهم على بعض. الرجال Hamza Fatha. Whenever you find al and you don't find any haraka but this sword here, then you will give fatha, always give fatha, because this is ism, and for ism you always give fatha. So adri and ra will be light. When you are attaching this hamza with ra, you'll give in tawassut. Ar and ad and ra for kasra give e sound, and ra will be light. Ar-rijaja, 2 counts long. Lu for the circle your lips. Ar-rijalu qaw. Qaf is heavy for fatha, open your jaws, attach it wow. And here you will give nabar. And nabar is a jump of sound when you are attaching qaf with wow. This is the place where you are creating nabar. Qaw. And then wa, 2 counts long. Mu, 2 counts long. First, for the circle your lips. Na, short. Ain from your throat. Lan, for fatha, open your jaws and attach with noon. Noon will get gunna, and this will be akmal gunna. So give a nice gunna here. Don't rush. Give a nice time for gunna. Keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Alan, and kasra is very short. Ni, sa, 4 counts long. Give safir in sin. Sa, sa, I. Hamza is very sharp. Hamza should not merge in with mad. Mad is from your jaw. Hamza is from your throat. So these two things are totally different and have very different sifat. So keep in mind, these are two different things. Sa'i, B for kasra, give E sound, the sound is short. Ma, 2 counts long. Fal, give hams in fa. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with dot. Dot will get istitala, and it will be heavy, and it has rakhawa. Fal, fal. This sound should be here. This hamama sound, the bird hamama. And for fatha, open your jaw. Do is heavy. When you are attaching fa with dot should be heavy. When you are giving fatha on dot should be heavy. Dot should be heavy both ways. Lam is light, but lafz jalala will be heavy. So keep this light and this heavy. By default, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name is long. Even though you don't find long standing fatha, you are still making lafz jalala heavy. Lafz jalala is the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, which you are making heavy and long here. Who for the circle lips sounds short. Ba is short for fatha, open your jaws, attach with ain. Ain will get sifa of tawassut. Do is heavy for fatha, open your jaws, the sound is short. Hum for the circle lips, attach with mim, you will get sifa of tawassut. Ain from your throat. La, 2 counts long, open your jaws for every fatha. For fatha, open your jaws. For ain, give tawassut. This is idgham with gunna, but keep this in your mind that you are not removing the sound of kasra here. We, and then attach with wow. And you're keeping the sound in your nose too, because this is with gunna. And after giving a Akmal gunna. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is very short of wow. Wa, B. For kasra, give E sound. Ma, 4 counts long. Hamza is very sharp. For fatha, open your jaws. Attach with noon. Noon has ikhfa. And this ikhfa is light because fa is among light letters. Your tongue should be in a straight position. And very very relaxed. Your tongue should have no stress in its muscles, and it should be relaxed, and you're making your mouth ready to say fa. Fa. For fa, give hums. For fatha, open your jaws. Ooh, cough is heavy. And circle your lips and make it 2 counts long. Ooh, nin. For kasra, give E sound. Don't drop this E sound attached with mean. Noon will get sifa off the wasut because the ruling is idhar here. Mean. Hamza is very sharp. For fatha, open your jaws attached with mean. Will get sifa off the wasut. Wa. For circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws and make it 2 counts long. Li. For kasra, give E sound. Him. For kasra, give E sound attached with mean. You will get sifa of tawassut. First, for fa, you're giving hams. So fatha, open your jaws, attached with sod. Sod will get sifa of rakhawa, and it is heavy and it has safid. First, so 2 counts long. Li. For kasra, give E sound. Ha. Give hams. Before giving a long sound, this sound should be there, and then make it 2 counts long. Ha, 2 for the circulate. Cough is heavy, make it 2 counts long. Ni for kasra, give E sound. Ta is very sharp. You are putting your tongue on the root of your frontal two teeth and giving a stress on your tongue. Ta, tun, tawassat. Because ruling is idhar. Tun, give hams before the fatha. This sound should be there before the fatha, but the fatha will be 2 counts long. Ha, fi for kasra, give E sound, give hams. Go is heavy. Make sure you touch frontal two teeth with your edge of your tongue. Go, tul. This is idgham without gunna. Tul, lil. You're not dropping this E sound, even though it is attached with lam, and now you get tawassut. Lil, goi. Goin is heavy for the open jaws. Attached with ya. This is 2 counts long and it is soft. Goi. Make sure you open your jaws. Goi. B for kasra, give E sound. B for kasra, give E sound. Ma, 2 counts long. Ha. Give this ha sound before fatha. It should be there for every ha. For fatha, the sound is short. Ha, fi for kasra, give E sound. Awal. Awal is heavy for fatha, open jaws attached with lafz jalala, and lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Awal. Whoa. Because of this bab, we are giving temporary sukoon here, and this temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts long. This is what mad arid lis-sukoon is. Hafidhallah. Wal, for wow, circle your lips. So fatha, open your jaws, attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Wal, la, then it is 2 counts long. La, ti. Make sure you pronounce ta with shidda, very sharp sound, and no flow of sound whatsoever. Ti, ta is very sharp. Ho, 2 counts long. Fu, give hums and fa, and make it 2 counts long. For dhamma, circle your lips. Na, short. Nu, for dhamma, circle your lips. The sound is short. Shu, 2 counts long. Z has buzzing sound, and there is no part of seen into it. There is no S sound, but only Z. Z. Nushuz. One for the circle ellipse attached. It means no noon will get sifa off gunna, and this gunna is akmal. So give a very long gunna here. Hun, and fatha is short. Na, fa, for fa. Give hams for fatha, open jaws. I, ain for ain should be from your throat, and for kasra give e sound. The sound is short. F, I, woo. Dha is heavy. You are lifting your tongue up to make it heavy, and you're circling your lips for dhamma, not for dha. Woo, hun. For dhamma, circle your lips, attach with noon. Noon will get sifa of gunna, and this is akmal gunna. Keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Hun, but for try short. Na, wa, wa. For wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. Attach with ha. Ha will get rakhawa. Wa. The sound should flow until you're saying you, and there is no flow of sound in Jim. As the breath will escape, the Jim will turn into ch, which we don't want. This is not permissible. So Jim, for Jim, you are sealing your palate with your tongue. Your tongue is pasted on the palate, which is making it Jim, the sound of Jim. You. And for Dhamma, circle lips, the sound is short. Oru, ro is heavy, and for dhamma circular lips, make it 2 counts long. Hun, for dhamma circular lips, attach with noon, give akmal gunna here, and for fatha, the noon is very short. Hunna, feel for kasra, give e sound. It is not any more long, but this is attached with lam. Give hams in fa, and then give kasra and attach with lam. Feel, give the wasut. Ma is short. Do this heavy, make it 2 counts long. Do, ji. For kasra, give e sound. I, ain from your throat. For kasra, give e sound. The sound is short. Well, for vav circular, for fatha, open your jaws, attach with dot. Dot will get rokawa and istatala. And dot is heavy. Well, and give a very nice time here. Don't rush, so you can control all the sifat which has dot, which dot has in it. So, ri for kasra, give e sound. The sound is short, and this is light. Boo for the circulators, make it 2 counts long. Hun. When you are giving bap on noon, you are not skipping this shadda. Even this shadda, will be here, even though you are giving sakun. So listen how we control it. Hun. This is the way you are giving waqf. Hun. Fa, for fa, give hams for fatha, open your jaws, the sound is short. In. Sifa is the wasut, ruling is idhar. Hamza is very sharp. For fatha, open your jaws, the sound is short. For fatha, open your jaws, attach to the ain. Ain will get sip out the wasud, and ain should be from your throat. Na is short. Kum, for dhamma, circle your lips, attach with mim will get sip out the wasud. Fa, with hams, for fatha, open your jaws, the sound is short. La, 2 counts long. Tab, ta is very sharp. There is no flow of sound. Ta, your tongue should be in a stiff position to say this ta. For fatha, open jaws, attach. Ba will get sifa of qalqala. Tab, ghoo, ghain from your throat. Ghain and ghain is heavy. For dhamma, circular lips, make it 2 counts long. Ain from your throat, for fatha, open jaws. Lay, 2 counts long. This is lean. Hin, seen from your seen is short, and it has safid. It has b, 2 counts long. La, we are exchanging the sound of noon into mud letters, so this exchange has make it 2 counts long. So la, in, hamza is very sharp. For noon, give akmal kunna. In, keep noon light, but lafz jalala heavy, because you can find fatha before it. Ha is short. Kaf is light, and make it 2 counts long. Na, short. Ain from your throat, to fatha, open jot. Li, for kasra, give e sound, attach with ya. Ya will get nabar. When you are attaching this lam with ya, here you are creating nabar, and nabar is a jump of sound. Li, If you are not applying number, you will say li, and this is not allowed. We are not making it long, but we are making a jump of sound. Li, li, and we are removing long vowel. We don't want long vowel here. This is why we are creating number here. Li, yang. This is ikhfa, and this ikhfa is with kaf. So this is little different. Listen how we do it. Yang. Ka, ka is light, and for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. B, two counts long. Ra, mad arid lissakun, mad iwad, and we are exchanging the sound of noon into the two counts long vowel. So this exchange has made it mad iwad. We are exchanging. Iwad means to exchange. So we are exchanging the sounds. That's why it is two counts long. الرجال قوامون على النساء بما فضل الله بعضهم على بعض وبما أنفقوا من أموالهم فالصالحات قانتات حافظات للغيب بما حفظ الله واللاتي تخافون نشوزهن فعظوهن واهجروهن في المضاجع واضربوهن فإن أطعنكم فلا تبغوا عليهن سبيلا إن الله كان عليا كبيرا. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.